Okay, we are asked to evaluate this, and evaluating this, we need to be very careful. So first of all, we are going to be writing everything in an exponential, in their exponential form, so that it will be easy to evaluate. And doing this is either you start from forward or from backward. Let's first of all start from forward. So we know that here, this 3 is only raised to power 1 over 2. 1 over 2. And it's going to multiply times this 3 is raised to power 1 over 2 and raised to power another 1 over 2, which implies that it's raised to power 1 over 4. So this 3 is raised to power 1 over 4. So this 3 here, okay, so this multiplied by this 3 here, raised to power 1 over 2, raised to power another 1 over 2, raised to power another 1 over 2, which implies that it's raised to power 2 times 2 times 2, which is 1 over 8. And this multiplied by this 3 raised to power 1 over 2, raised to power another 1 over 2, another 1 over 2, another 1 over 2, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 16. So another method of getting this is by saying, okay, take here, using brackets to differentiate everything by saying 3 raised to power 1 over 2 multiply by 3 raised to power 1 over 2 multiply again by 3 raised to power 1 over 2 multiply again by 3 raised to power 1 over 2. So since these two are sharing this 1, 2 are sharing this power, so we can still multiply this power with this power, and then 1, because this 3 is raised to power 1, we can multiply this 1 with this power here also. Then all we get is, from this inside, we get that 3 raised to power, this times this is 1 over 2, and this times this will be what? 1 over 4. Everything is going to be multiplied by 3 and multiplied by what? 1 over, raised to power 1 over 2. The same thing here again, 3, everything raised to power 1 over 2. So this power can multiply this and this and this again, and we'll have 3 raised to power. This times this, because it's in the same parentheses. Look at it, this and this is closed in the same parentheses here. We can multiply this with this power. So if we multiply out, we have 3 raised to power 1 over 2 times this times this. So 3 raised to power 1 over 4. This times this, we have 3 raised to power 1 over 8. Everything times 3 raised to power 1 over 2. So likewise, we distribute again, and we have that 3 raised to power 1 over 2 times 3 raised to power 1 over 4 times 3 raised to power 1 over 8 times 3 raised to power 1 over 16. 1 over 16. And we got the same thing, the same answer as we got here earlier. So if you can do this easily, it's much more faster way to do it, but if you are not getting it, you can do it line by line to get to the same answer. So since all the base are the same, we can add up this and take one base for them. So we can say 3 raised to power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16. So, and because everything can be is a multiple, everything here has a common multiple, which is 16. We can rewrite here in terms of 16 by saying 3 raised to power 3 raised to power some numbers over 16, right? So these numbers, how we'll get it is, if you multiply this number by 16, you will get 16 times 1 divided by 2 is going to give you 8. Then 16 times 1 divided by 4 is going to give you 4. 16 times 1 divided by 8 is going to give you what? 2. 16 times 1 divided by 16 is going to give us 1. So this same thing as 3 raised to power 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, which is 15, divided by 16. So, and this is the same thing as saying 15 raised to power 1 over 16. And remember that, let's say 3 raised to power 1 over a is equal to a root of 3. Ath root of what? 3. I don't know if you get it. So 3 raised to power b over a is the same thing as saying a root of 3 raised to power what? B. Likewise, if we use this and bring it here, we find out that 3 raised to power 15 over 16 is the same thing as what? 3 raised to power is the same thing as 3 raised to power 15. Everything in what? The power of 16, which is the same thing as 16th root of 3 raised to power 15. This is our final answer. 16th root of 3 raised to power 15. So let's go to our options. And yes, B is our answer. 16th root of 3 raised to power 15. So that is it. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.